Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our new and exciting project. Today, we have a special guest, an artificial intelligence with incredible abilities and knowledge. We are going to ask it some questions about various people, things, and other interesting topics to find out what it thinks about them. Are you ready to embark on a fascinating journey into the world of artificial intelligence? Then let's begin.
Here is my elaborate response on CS:GO. Counter-Strike Global Offensive CS:GO is a legendary game that continues to thrive and attract millions of players worldwide. Here's why, in my opinion, CS:GO is one of the most significant and influential games in the history of the gaming industry. First and foremost, CS:GO deserves recognition for its legacy and longevity. It is the latest installment in the Counter-Strike series, which originated long before the era of esports and global online gaming. CS:GO has retained the spirit and core principles of its predecessors while introducing new technologies and improvements. This has allowed the game to remain relevant and appealing to players of all generations for many years. One of the most notable features of CS:GO is its balance and gameplay depth. The game offers two teams, terrorists and counter-terrorists, and various game modes, including matchmaking, team deathmatch, and competitive modes. Each team has unique objectives and goals, requiring players to employ tactical thinking, teamwork, and strategic approaches. The availability of diverse weapons, equipment, and gadgets adds depth and variety to the gameplay, enabling players to explore different strategies and tactics. Go is also renowned for its high level of competitiveness and esports presence. The excellent networking infrastructure and developer support contribute to the development of a professional esports scene and the organization of large-scale tournaments worldwide. The game has gained popularity among professional esports players, and CS:GO competitions attract a massive audience and fan base. The level of skill, team coordination, and tactical mastery displayed in CS:GO tournaments is impressive and inspiring to many. The graphical execution of CS:GO also deserves praise. Realistic character models, detailed maps, and visual effects create an atmosphere of tension and realism, immersing players in the game world. The developers pay attention to detail and continue to implement updates to improve the graphics and overall visual experience. However, like any other game, CS:GO has its flaws and issues. One of them is the presence of cheaters and dishonest players. Despite improved anti-cheat measures, developers continue to combat this problem. The large player base and scale of the game can also lead to toxic behavior and unsportsmanlike conduct. It is important to emphasize that these negative aspects are individual occurrences rather than integral parts of the game as a whole. Additionally, some may argue that CS:GO has become less innovative compared to newer shooters in the genre. It may not have the same flashy effects and mechanics found in some other games. However, CS:GO still possesses its unique atmosphere and gameplay features that attract players from around the world. In conclusion, CS:GO is a game that combines a rich legacy, strategic depth, esports enthusiasm, and a unique atmosphere. It deserves respect and recognition for its impact on the gaming industry and the development of esports. Despite some drawbacks, CS:GO remains one of the most important and respected games worldwide. Its community is vibrant, and players continue to enjoy the intense battles and competition it offers.
Thank you for watching this video, and please leave a comment suggesting what else we should include in our new video. What would you like me to ask the artificial intelligence? Once again, thank you, and have a great day.